Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If pipe S can fill a certain tank in 3 hours and pipe U can empty it in 4 hours, how long in hours would it take to fill the empty tank when both the pipes are open? Okay, now let me consider the pipe S. It can fill the tank in 3 hours. That is, in 3 hours, it can fill one complete tank. Okay, then what is a part of the tank filled by the pipe S in just 1 hour? In 3 hours, the complete tank, the one full tank is filled by the pipe S. In 1 hour, what part of the tank will be filled by the same pipe S? For that, we have to divide these two quantities by 3. When I divide this 3 by 3, I am just getting 1, that is 1 hour. When I divide this 1 by 3, I am getting 1/3, that is 1/3 of the tank. Let me write the stuff over here. So, in 1 hour, pipe S can fill 1/3 of the tank. Okay, now let me go to pipe U. So, pipe U can empty the tank in 4 hours. That is, in 4 hours, one full tank is emptied. Okay, then what is a part of the tank can be emptied by the pipe U in just 1 hour? For that, we have to divide these two quantities by 4. When I divide this 4 by 4, I'm just getting 1, that is 1 hour. When I divide this 1 by 4, I'm getting 1/4 of the tank. Let me write the stuff over here. That is 1/4 of the tank. Let me write it. Okay, here I'm taking negative sign for this one and negative sign for this 1/4 because a tank is being emptied by the pipe U. So this negative sign indicates that the tank is being emptied. Okay, when both the pipes are open, what will happen in just 1 hour? Okay, now let me write the stuff over here. In 1 hour, when both the pipes are open, what will happen? So to know what's happening, whether the tank is filled or will be emptied, we have to add these two quantities, 1/3 and negative 1/4. Let me do it. So 1/3, negative 1/4. Okay, now we have to simplify this subtraction of these two fractions. For that, what we can do is we can do cross multiplication because 3 and 4, the two denominators are relatively prime. That is, there is no common divisor for both 3 and 4 other than 1. So to do cross multiplication, I have to multiply this numerator 1 by this denominator 4. 1 times 4 is 4, and we can take this negative sign as it is. And this numerator has to be multiplied by this denominator, that is 1 times 3 is 3. And further, we have to multiply the two denominators 3 and 4, that is, I'm getting 12. So we get 4 negative 3, so 1/12. That is 1/12 of the tank will be filled because here we get a positive value. When both the pipes are open in 1 hour, 1/12 of the tank is filled because of the positive value we have for 1/12. Let me write further stuff over here. That is, in 1 hour, when both the pipes are open, 1/12 of the tank is filled. Let me write it. Okay, now to get 1 over here, I have to get rid of this 12 in denominator. For that, we have to multiply these two quantities by 12. When I multiply this 1 by 12, I'm getting 12. That is 12 hours. And when I multiply this 1/12 by 12, I'm just getting 1. That is 1 tank. So when both the pipes are opened, so one full tank is filled in 12 hours. So it will take 12 hours to fill the tank when both the pipes are open. We find 12 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.